好，今日同大家分享 Parsons Pleasure。點解要設置個故事喺 England 咧？首先第一個 ，OK， 我而家講嘢係呢度冇嘅，咁所以大家鍾意嘅話可以抄低。第一個就係當時倫敦咧係好興古董嘅。第二個，英國咧佢有好多平原。好多 hills， 好多 countryside， 呢一種元素咧就可以令到故事更加真實。OK， 我而家講嘅係第四個 point，historical context， 即係上面嗰啲咧，我諗大家可以自己望一望都得噶啦。同埋有個好重要嘅咧，就係英國咧係一個 Christianity base 嘅一個國家啦。咁所以咧，入邊嘅故事咧，好多人對 Christianity 都唔係太抗拒，見到牧師都唔係太抗拒。咁呢一種咧，都可以令到個故事合翻邏輯嘅。咁英文可以點寫咧？我哋可以睇下。The English countryside still retain much of its traditional charm and way of living at the time when the story is set around after 1920。我哋唔知道個時間咩啦，但係佢話個 commode 係喺1920年之後整完之後唔見咁樣，咁所以我哋估計係喺1920年之後啦。This historical context adds to the authenticity of the setting and the characters' interactions。就係咁啦。好，如果大家想知道更多嘅話，咁就去我哋嘅 intensive course 專課 Form 6、Form 5嘅。Form 5我覺得會好少少啦，咁你唔使咁急。要 Form 6嘅話咧，就真係得翻1個月左右，咁都 OK 嘅。係啦，咁大家去我哋嘅 IG 或者 website 度望一望啦。然後我哋仲有筆記賣嘅，有 MOOC賣嘅，咁大家有興趣就去望一望啦。知道 English 嘅資源比較少，咁希望幫到大家。咁我哋下次再見。